Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious chocolate-dipped strawberries. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh, ripe strawberries, washed and completely dry. Next, select 8 to 12 ounces of your favorite chocolate, like semi-sweet or milk chocolate. Finally, prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper. This will be crucial for the next steps. Now, let's melt that chocolate. You can use a double boiler for a gentle melt, or microwave it in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each. The key is to melt it slowly and evenly, ensuring a smooth, glossy texture. Don't rush this step, and be careful not to overheat it, as that can make the chocolate seize and become unusable. It's time for the fun part, dipping. Hold each strawberry by its stem and submerge it into the melted chocolate, leaving a small portion of the red visible near the stem. Gently tap off any excess chocolate before placing it onto your prepared parchment paper. If you're adding sprinkles or a contrasting chocolate drizzle, do it immediately while the chocolate is still wet. Almost there. Once all your strawberries are dipped and decorated, carefully transfer the baking sheet to the refrigerator. Let them chill for at least 30 minutes or until the chocolate is completely firm to the touch. This setting time is essential for a perfect finish. Serve your beautiful chocolate-dipped strawberries chilled for the best flavor and texture. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.